Okay, we have a Shing gap bed engine lathe with a 6-inch spindle hole. It's 32-inch swing, 44 in the gap, 160 inches between centers, and inch metric threading. It's new in 1997, serial number 97156. We're going to run it for you. Okay, 115 RPM. It's nice and quiet. And we are threading. They're hardening ground bedways. Changing the direction of the threading. There you go. This machine's original paint. Rapid traverse. Reversing the rapid. Okay. You have a steady rest, a follow rest, a four-way tool post, the four-jaw chuck. Now we're going to feed. That's the cross. Longitudinal. Other direct, yep. Reversing the feed. Reversing the cross feed. Okay. So you saw the cross feed and longitudinal feed work in both directions. You saw it thread in both directions. You saw it rapid in both directions. You saw one spindle speed. We'll run another one. Show the foot brake, I guess. Foot brake. We're going to change speed.
That's the low range. It should be
25 RPM. Yeah, the chuck jaws when you're at a low speed. They don't get up to that. Again, you see the removable gap by the chuck. I guess the tail stock wheel. You have a 2-speed tail stock. Okay. And thank you for watching the video. Oh, could you shoot the hole? Thanks. Great. That's it. All right. Thanks again.